Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy spike center crochet flowers. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can use these flowers. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. That counts as the first double crochet. Make 11 more double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So 10 more double crochet in the ring. Okay, I have 12 double crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2 and fasten off. Attach a contrasting color yarn in any stitch. Lock it in. Make one more single crochet in this stitch. In the next stitch, make single crochet and then make a long single crochet. Go right down into the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it up as high as your single crochet and complete the single crochet. Make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet and 1 long single crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochet. 1, 2. In the next stitch, make a single crochet and a long single crochet. So continue all the way around. 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and a long single crochet. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in that first stitch and fasten off. So you have 6 long spike stitches and 24 stitches total in the circle. Attach yarn in any stitch. Lock it in. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in the next stitch. Like that. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making chain 10 loops. At the end of the row, I'm going to slip stitch to join in the base of that first chain 10 and fasten off. And that's how easy it is to make this spike center flower. And for this flower, I used a 4.5mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn, and I sewed a button in the center. And here are some ideas on how you can use these flowers.